how to make a division line in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome, then go to the 9 dots on the top right, and then scroll down, open up Docs, and then you can work on your existing document or open a blank document. Then on the top, you'll see View, tap on it, and then tap on Show Equation toolbar. Now tap on New Equation, and then go to the Math Operations, and then tap on the Division option on the first, and then put in the numbers. Now to go to the bottom, tap on the down arrow and the forward arrow, and then you can put in the numbers. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.